This Goode Realty property video is presented by Tracy Pate. Sugar Beach 2-bedroom, 2-bath, master, king bed, guest, full and twin over twin custom bunk beds, sleeps 6, completely remodeled over the last 3 years. Gulf side view directly on the beach. Master shower was expanded, laundry relocated to vent outside the building, only one in Sugar Beach that doesn't vent inside the unit. Upgraded LG stainless appliances, soft close cabinets, leathered granite countertops, premium vinyl plank floors, water heater, air conditioner lines, furniture, paint and raised ceilings in master bath and guest rooms. Open floor plan kitchen to living room with smart TVs throughout. Smart devices thermostat, door lock, smoke, CO2 sensor. This unit brought in just under $56,000. For more information